So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about the graphics intro. Okay, this one from now we are starting on a new series about the JavaScript graphics in the machine learning. So get ready for that. And this one first video about the intro. That's why this video is very smaller. Okay, but do not take a stress. In the next videos, the next video will become bigger, and the next video we learn about what are canvas, graph canvas, what are plotly.js, what are chart.js, and many much more things. So that's why I'm telling you, see this series start to end, so you never miss our future latest videos. And please hit the like button, share our fan, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about what are JavaScript graphics. Short form is called JS graphics. Okay, graphs intro. Okay, I'm giving you that. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Right, this one more video about the machine learning. And in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about the JavaScript graphics. So this one intro about the JavaScript graphics means like JS. So get ready for that and let's get started the JavaScript graphics in the machine learning. So let's get started. JavaScript graphics. Graphic libraries. JavaScript libraries to use for both artificial intelligence graphs and other charts. Okay. Now, like Canvas, Plotly.js, Chart.js, Google Chart, and D3.js. Plotly.js. If you don't know what is Plotly.js, so let me tell you what is Plotly.js. Plotly.js is a charting library that comes with over 40 chart types. What? 40 chart types. 3D charts, statistical graphs, and SVG maps. Okay? Like this one example. In this example, like this one charts, and in this chart there is some house price versus size, and in this chart there is a price in millions, like for 16, 14, 12, 10, 9, 6, and here is like one numbers like 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. This is a square meters, and this one graph has been made right here. You can see one chart here. You can see this is example of plotly.js. Now let me give you the example of the chart.js, and let me tell you what is the chart.js. So let me explain you and let me tell you. Chart.js comes with many built-in chart types. What? Many built-in chart types? Scatter, line, bar, radar, pie, duffnut, polar year, and bubble. Okay. Like this one example. Sorry, this one chart. In this chart, here you can see in this chart here is house price versus size. And this chart here 1, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and there is one 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120, and 140, and there is one graph of the dots. Here you can see it. This is one chart of the chart.js. Okay. Now let me give you one example. Let me tell you what is Google chart, and let me give you the example of it is also. Google chart. From a simple line charts to complex 3 maps, like Google chart provides a number of built-in chart types like scatter chart, line chart, bar column chart, area chart, and PIA chart, donut chart, and ORG chart, and map geo chart. And this one diagram of the Google chart, and in this diagram it is comparing the age versus weight comparison, like 17.5, 15. This is our weight. Okay, these are weights. What? These are weights. You must know these are weights. And now these are age, like 0.2, 2.5, 5.0, 7.5, 10.5, 10.0, 12.5, 15.5, 15.0. These are age. Okay, let's come down. So here you can see this very small video, because this one video about the intro from our now from the next videos we are learning about the Canvas, Plotly.js, Chart.js, Google Chart, and D3.js. We are learning about that from the next videos. So get ready for that. This is video just for introduction. I am starting a JavaScript graphics in the machine learning, meaning JS graphics. So get ready for that, and please hit a like button, and this video about the one just for intro. That's why this video is very smaller, but I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. And I appreciate your support through, and if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the code with freecodecamp on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I'm in next class and next video I'm using that type of videos. And in today's video I told you about the plotly.js about and the chart.js built-in data types, Google chart.js built-in data type, many data type I have told you in today's video. I hope you can enjoy this class. So I'm in the next very amazing class of the JS graphics. So get ready for that. So for today, goodbye.